To give you a quick video on a collapsible traffic safety cones for your RV that I purchased on Amazon. They come in 2-packs, 4-packs, however many you want, and they're about 18 inches, or you can get 28-inch tall traffic cones. This shows you what they look like out of the package. They are stackable in a container that you'll get with your traffic cones, so you can store them very easily. This gives you a little idea as to the function of the traffic cones. You simply place them where you want them, grab the center part of the cone, pull up on it. It has a reflectant tape on it for nighttime. When you get finished with it, you just collapse it back down or just push it down easily, and then store it back in your container. So it's very, very handy to have. Very, very handy to have. This gives you a relationship as to the size of it in relation to my hand, and you can see that it's very, very compact, very lightweight, and they have had no problems with them blowing over or anything like that when I've set them out. I have a tailgater, and I usually put one by it when I use my tailgater. Like and subscribe for more videos if you would. My YouTube channel is RV Norm Burgess. Everybody have a blessed day. See you later on the videos.